Hello students, this is Supriya Mogle. I'm working as an assistant professor at Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. I'm here to discuss about techniques of sales promotion. In the previous video, we have learned what is sales promotion and what are the definition and importance of the sales promotion. So in this video, we are going to learn techniques of sales promotion, means how you are going to promote your product, or uh, how the people will know about your product, or how you are going to convey your message with the consumer. So there are so many types, means most of the company focus only on advertising and to convey their messages, but there are various methods like sales promotion, personal selling, and publicity. So in the promotion, sales promotion is also one of the important point. So we'll start. We'll see the introduction. Sales promotion is a special type of promotional activities carried on such a way to stimulate consumer buying. So to stimulate means to encourage, or to inspire the customers, means there are some promotional activities carried out in the sales promotion so that consumer will aware about your product, consumer will be motivated, or he will encourage to to buy that product, at least to try that product. Then variety of tools and techniques are available to a marketer for sales promotion, and following are the commonly used sales promotion techniques for promoting goods and services. So there are various tools and techniques available in the market for the marketers for having sales promotion, and you can use that techniques to promote your goods and services. Okay, so we'll see what are the techniques are there. So techniques are classified into four types. First is consumer promotion tools, then trade sales promotion techniques, sales force sales promotion tools, and aggressive sales. So these are four types are classified of are classified, which are used in the sales promotion. So in this video we are going to see only consumer promotion tools. Okay. So consumer promotion tools means here marketers motivate the customers or consumers to buy the product, or to or the services. So these types of tools are used to attract the customers or to inspire the customers to buy your product. So there are tools like coupons, price of promotion, money refund offer, distribution of sample, premium, competitions, means contest calls, or trading stamps and demonstration. So we'll see one by one. So first is coupons. So coupons means these are given to the customers directly. They entitle the bearer to purchase a product at a reduced price. Generally, the coupons are kept inside the package. So these types of coupons are there, which are kept inside the package of that product, of any product. And if you get, or if a customer get this coupon at a free of cost, then he will use that coupon, he will buy that product. Okay, whichever the company is mentioned on that coupon, he is going to buy that product. So this is also one of the most used promotional tools. Then next is price of promotion. Price of means an offer to a customer of a certain amount of money off the regular price of a product. Means you are going to cut some money from the price of the products, you are going to have some discount to the consumers, and the amount of reduction will be printed on the label or package. So we have learned packaging and labeling. So on the package there is mentioned how much amount is reducted, or how much amount is cut from that price. So you can see 10% off, 20% off, etc. That is called price of promotion. Then third one is money refund offer. Money refund means this is an offer to the customer that if he is not completely satisfied with your product or with your service, the manufacturer will return within a stated period of purchase the money. We can we see the various advertisements on television or on social medias that that they are providing some services or products, and if we are not satisfied with that, we can get back our money. So in the weight loss, you have seen very frequently that suppose the result is not as per your expectations, then the money will be, or that money will be refunded to the customer. So these type of offers called money refund offer. Then next is distribution of sample, means sample of product is distributed free to potential customers to introduce a new product. So when you're going to, or when a marketer is going to introduce a new product, so to have a consumer awareness or to know the product by the consumers, they distribute the sample of it. Means if you are providing at free cost, then they will, they will use their product, they will try your product. So at times trial of the product is given and the sample may be delivered door to door. So example, Garnier hair dye, this is the box, and in this box they, the Garnier conditioner is kept in that box. That means this is also a distribution of sample, this is of free of cost, and you can use this as it is, given at a free cost, then customer will use it, and if they like it, then they will purchase for next time. So this is a type of distribution of sample. The another example, like I think Bournvita biscuits introduced recently, and the Bournvita biscuit packet was, they were delivering, or they were distributing with that 1 kg box of Bournvita. So this is also one of the type of promotional tools. At least, consumer will purchase that product, or consumer will try that product that is newly introduced in the market, and if they like it, then they will purchase it. So this is the promotional tool for the consumers. The next is premium. Premium means a product may be offered free cost or relatively low cost as a bonus to purchase of particular product. So in short, or in simple ways, premium means this type of ads you get. Okay, buy one get one free products are there. So that is called premium. Or low cost means suppose one product is for 70 rupees or 60 rupees, and if you buy two, then you will get it for 100 rupees. So that type of offers called premium. Okay, then competitions or contests called. So there are some contest sales that are made to the consumers to participate in the contest and win cash prizes or trips or tours, etc. So if you win that contest, you will get some prize, you will get some trips or tours. So this tool is used to attract the customers. Okay, that means if they think that if I win this, I can get some prize, I can get some benefit, I can get free tour, so that's why they will try your product. Then I have, you know taken this example of Dove soap. They were also having the contest recently, that is, you are going to have nominate a girl and she will get a scholarship, etc. So these type of contests, so many contests are there in the market. Okay. The next is trading stamps. So trading stamps means consumer will be supplied with the stamps as a premium along with purchases. These are small paper stamps like retailers coupons, and these have a minimum cash value, and they could be exchanged with the trading stamp company for premium. So these type of stamps are there. These are small paper stamps, and just like a retailer's coupon, and you can exchange the trading stamp company for premium. Means so you will get some offer by using these coupons. or stamps. Then demonstration means consumer will be distributed with a sample of product or demonstrated at a premises of the consumer where it is used. Means a person is going to have demonstration. He will give demo how to operate that product, how to use that product, what are the importance or what are the benefits of that product. And if you see that, if watch those type of ads or any video, so you will inspired, you will motivate to get that product or to get that services or to use that product. There are so many ads we can see on the televisions, like cutting machines are there, etc. So this is called demonstration used in promotional tools. So these are some techniques of sales promotion, okay, specially classified in the first type, that is consumer promotional tools. So here I complete my video. I hope you understood the concept. Consumer promotion tools. We have seen various types of tools for consumer promotion, and in the next video we are going to learn various other types of techniques of sales promotion. Okay, thank you.